Good morning guys, and in front of me is Google Pixel 10, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select apps, scroll all the way down and mark special app access. Now go to install unknown apps, and in this panel you can smoothly give permissions to particular applications. So for example, if you wish to install something via Gmail, just open Gmail and allow from the source, and that's it. Then if you want to give the same permission to Google Drive, enroll it and mark. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.